Adding Visa gift card in Venmo is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can add Visa gift card to your Venmo. So this is how the Visa gift card looks. It have a normal, it looks like the normal credit card. You just have a card number, your name, your expiry date, and your CVV at the back of the card. So you just need to, have this card, and after that you have to open up your Venmo app, and you have to tap on the menu button, which are like three parallel lines on the top left corner, and then you have to tap on settings, and in setting you will see this option which is payment methods. You just have to tap on that option and it will take you to this page. Now here you have to tap on this add bank or card, and it will want you to put the card number, the expiry date, the security code, and the zip code. So the zip code should be random. You can put the zip code of any country, but I would suggest you put the zip code of your country, of your area. And after that you just have to tap on add. What it will do is it will add the card to Venmo, and then you can get the money from your Visa gift card to your Venmo account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.